This is the K22. It's a new Android smartwatch from No.1. Does not support phone calling though. There's no SIM card in this one. There's no Bluetooth calling as far as I can tell. You have an information page up here with your time and date and information on GPS, which it has on board, or Wi-Fi. You can swipe down and get to another page where you can change your different sound capabilities with full sound or silent mode. You have Bluetooth, your brightness. When you swipe to the right, you get into step count, calories burned, and distance traveled. When you tap once on the screen, you go into your app drawer, which includes a variety of things that are common on smartwatches and a few new goodies. You've got your step count information in the tracker. You've got clocks, settings, and more. For an economical Android watch, check it out, the K22.